My new blender, my new table blender. See what you can blend. All these things, fruits, vegetables, you can make smoothies, so many things you can do it. Hi friends, I got new parcel from USA. I wanted to see what is this. I'm going to show it to you all how to do what is inside. Unboxing my new parcel for the Christmas gift. Oh, I got the blender. I got the table blender. See? The Wahl company. Before that, I opened that one. I already told before this one. I've been using this one, my Kenwood blender and the grinder, last 30 years, 34 years I'm using it. Now it's become very old, so I got the gift. My new blender. Okay, got it. It's my new blender. Very lightweight, not much weight. Wahl company, it's a new one. This one is blending, and this one coffee grinder. It grinds. You can make spices, small thing you can grind with the garlic, ginger, dry spices. It will make it. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Show it to you all when I'm using time. Thank you. Please tell me the friends how you all like it, my new blender and grinder. Please how you all like it. Thank you friends. Bye.